What's up guys, Akos here from Flow. So today I got something a bit different and honestly I've been enjoying testing this more than I expected. These are the INMO Air 3 AR glasses. And the big thing with these is that they are fully standalone. No phone, no cable, no external box in your pocket. You just put them on and use them. I've been wearing these properly, indoors, outdoors, watching content, doing a bit of work. So let me show you how it's working and whether it's worth your money or not. As usual, let's start with the unboxing. Let's go! So opening the box, first you've got the Air 3 glasses themselves. Then you've got two ways to control them, which is actually nice. You get the smart ring, which is great when you want quick, natural control while wearing the glasses. But you also get a normal handheld remote control, so if you are sitting down watching content or doing work, you don't have to wear the ring all the time. You can just use the remote instead, like a traditional controller. You also get the sunglasses accessory, and this is really important if you plan to use these outside. It clips on easily and helps a lot of bright conditions when you are watching content outdoors. Apart from that, you've got the charging accessories and paperwork. Everything you need is in the box, nothing extra, nothing missing. And it already tells you this is meant for real life use, not just sitting at the desk. Now let's speak about the design and the comfort. Once you put them on, the first thing you notice is how normally they feel. They are lightweight, they sit comfortably on your face, and they don't feel bulky or awkward. Design-wise, they are AR style, flat lenses, clean and low profile. If you saw someone wearing these outside, you probably won't even realize they are AR glasses. And again, the all-in-one design makes a huge difference. No phone connections, no cables, you just wear them and ready to go. And now the display, where the things really get interesting. You've got a Sony Micro OLED display, Full HD 1080p with 600 nits brightness. But what matters more than the specs is how it feels when you're using it. When the screen appears, it feels like a big screen floating in front of you. INMO says it's like a 150-inch virtual screen, and once you're wearing them, that feels pretty accurate. Text is sharp, video looks clean, colors look vibrant, and even outside in bright daylight, the screen stays very usable, especially with the sunglasses accessory attached. And another thing what I really like is the privacy. People around you can't see what you are watching. From the outside, it's just like glasses, so you can be watching YouTube, Netflix, checking emails, whatever, and no one has a clue. You also get a 30°-degree field of view, which feels immersive without being overwhelming. It fills your vision nicely, but still feels comfortable. Now let's speak about the controls and the 3DOF experience. Control-wise, you've got options which I like. You can use the smart ring for quick, natural interaction, buttons, touch gestures, and raise style pointer. Or you can use the handheld remote, which is honestly more comfortable when you're just sitting back, watching videos or doing longer sessions. The screen itself is 3DOF, meaning it stays fixed in space. So if you turn your head away, the screen stays where it was. And if you turn fully away, it stays behind you. Then with a quick input, it snaps back into view. You can also resize the screen and move it around wherever it fits you the best. Now let me quick mention the performance and the multitasking. Inside, it's powered by a Snapdragon XR processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. In real use, everything feels smooth. You can run up to 3 independent floating screens at once, switch between them easily, and it doesn't feel laggy or slow. This actually feels usable, not like a tech demo. Now let me speak about the real-life use cases. For entertainment, watching YouTube, Netflix or short videos on a giant virtual screen is genuinely enjoyable, especially when you are not at home. For gaming, you can install cloud gaming apps and play AAA titles on what feels like a massive display anywhere. For work, the Air 3 supports remote computer control for both Windows and Mac. Paired with the Ring or the remote, you can handle emails, documents and light productivity tasks from almost anywhere. And there's also a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view, which is great for capturing moments, vlogging or quick POV clips outdoors. So let's wrap up guys, but first I want to tell you who is it for actually. This isn't something everyone needs, and that's fine, but if you travel a lot work remotely, or just like the idea of having a massive screen with you wherever you go without carrying extra gear, then the INMO Air 3 makes a lot of sense. It's especially good if you want something truly standalone. No phone connections, no cables, no external power boxes. You just put them on and wear them. Add the option of using the ring or the remote plus the sunglasses accessory for outdoor use, and it actually fits into real life very well. So before I wrap this up, I want a huge thanks to INMO to sending me this product over and sponsoring today's video. It was a pleasure to using it, and it was a pleasure to test it. It's just like something different what I used to work with or testing. It's just amazing product. As always, all opinions here are my own, and I've been using this properly to give you my honest experience. If you want to learn more about the INMO Air 3, I leave the link in the description below. So if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and write your thoughts in the comment section below. Peace!